Leaders-Free is a unique trial in at least two major ways. The first, of course, is that it addresses the needs of a population that has been systematically neglected, never included in clinical trials. And the other, of course, is that it tests the shortest course of dual antiplatelet treatment that's ever been evaluated in patients receiving an active stent. Those patients are more frequent than we actually anticipated. We included all these patients in a relatively short time span of about 18 months. And definitely, the enrollment was not the problem that some people had predicted it might be. Well, they were excellent. We had a 50% reduction of clinically driven TLR at 1 year in these patients. And in terms of safety, of course, we not only met the non-inferiority primary endpoints, but then we went on to measure superiority and found that we had a 30% reduction in a combined endpoint, safety endpoint, of cardiac death, MI, and stent thrombosis. So that was a big bonus. No, we didn't. We had very good reasons to think that the efficacy would be good, and it definitely is, but the safety was a surprise, and a very good surprise. And also the bleeding is even more than I'd anticipated. Although it wasn't an endpoint, it's a very important parameter, and bleeding was serious, even with only 1 month of DAPT. I think they must. I think bare metal stents we have no reason to use anymore at all, except perhaps in some places for economical reasons. And I think we've got a very real solution for a group of patients whom we pretended didn't exist until today. So yes, it will, and it must. It's a very hard question to answer. We have literally millions of patients treated with polymer DES, and we know how well they work. I think for patients who are good candidates for prolonged DAPT, for the moment, I think we should stick with DES. We'll see how the field of polymer-free DCS evolves. And I think for the moment, they're a beautiful answer to a very real question, but they shouldn't necessarily be seen as a solution for everybody.